Battalion 8, Engine 85, Truck 84, Rescue 82, Medic 57. Accident with rescue, Central Avenue and Harbor Street. Central Avenue and Harbor Street for an overturned vehicle. SO at scene. Battalion 8, calm fire.
Good.
Battalion 8, SO confirmed that there's a single occupant and they're out of the vehicle. Would you like to continue the rescue response?
Yeah, Lite 84 says they arrived.
Calm fire, copy.
Calm fire, Truck 84.
Truck 84, calm fire.
The 84 is on the scene. 2 people involved, one on the roof. It's now the Harbor IC. Confirmed no traffic. Cancel the balance. Keep the medic coming.
Truck 84 at scene, 2 vehicles involved, one on its roof, no entrapment. Cancel the balance, but continue the med unit. Harbor IC.
Calm fire, Harbor IC.
Harbor IC, calm fire.
It's a non-injury, you can cancel medic.
Calm fire copies, non-injury. Medic 57, you can cancel.
Medic 57, we copy cancel, thank you.